Hello everyone, welcome to Nail Art channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you sports nail step by step guide. Whether you are a sports fanatic or just want to show off one sport as an accent nail. This design featuring a basketball, a baseball, a tennis ball, a football, and soccer ball is for you. Let's move to step number one. Start by painting each of your nails with a different color nail polish to represent each nail. An orange nail polish for the basketball, a white nail polish for the baseball, and yellow nail polish for the tennis ball, a dark brown nail polish for the football, and a white nail polish for the soccer ball. Step number 2, for the basketball nail, using a nail art brush and a black nail polish, draw a vertical line down the center of the orange ball. Step number 3, using the same tool and nail polish, draw a black horizontal line across the middle of the nail, be seating the vertical line. Step number 4, using the same tool and nail polish, draw two black lines curving inward, one on each side of the nail. Step number 5, for the basketball nails, using a thin nail art brush and red nail polish, draw two vertical lines curving inward, one on each side of the nail to make the seams of the ball. Step number 6 is, using the same tool and nail polish, place short strokes along the lines to indicate the stitching. Step number 7, for the tennis nail, using a nail art brush and white nail polish, draw two vertical lines covering inward, one on each side of the yellow nail. Step number 8, for the football nail, using a nail art brush and white nail polish, draw two horizontal curved lines, one at the top and one at the bottom of the dark brown nail polish. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope today's you like my sports nail art design. Thank you.